friends, my name is Muhammad Faris. I am studying in 7th standard AUPS Jambrakulam. I am speak about coronavirus. Let's go to the video. Today I would like to share on prevention of coronavirus. Coronavirus has spread all over the world. Lot of countries have faced a negative impact of this disease. Until is proper vaccine or medicine is developed for this disease, we all need to be careful and preventive measure to be safe from this disease. Wearing a mask outdoor, cleaning hands often, and social distancing are the primary requisites to prevent the disease. Additionally, we must not touch our face with unclean hands. A person having fever or cough should immediately take medical advice. Covid-19 disease affects different people in different ways. It is seen that people with good immunity do not face much issues from the disease. Hence, we all must improve our immunity by having a balanced diet, including green vegetables, salads, and fruits daily in our life will boost immunity. Apart from this, you get tulsi leaves, turmeric, garlic, and various spices also improve immunity. But yes, we have to consume them in a proper quantity. It is also seen that some immunity boosters like garlic, tulsi, etc. give best results when they are fresh and consumed in raw form. We should also engage ourselves in some physical activities or yoga for fitness. Staying away from stress and taking enough sleep is also necessary. Many scientists all over the world are continuously doing research on the coronavirus till we get a proper remedy for this disease. We need to stay careful and protect ourselves. With this, I conclude my speech. I wish you all a happy and healthy life. Thank you. If you liked the video, press the like button and share button. Subscribe the channel. Bye bye.